Hello my beautiful viewers, today I am drawing another beautiful video of Little Singham. So let's start. Here I am using a black pointer, and first of all I am drawing the cap of the Singham just like this. I hope you like my drawings. If you like my drawings, please do subscribe to the channel and stay connected with me for more such videos. So watch it till end and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Enjoy watching. Bye bye.